Get ready for a behavioral health conference coming up. I'm talking with Dr. Jeff Peterson about it on Talk of the Town right now. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Now, this is a first of its kind deal over at Wayne State, huh?
It is. We're really excited. This is a partnership with the Behavioral Health Education Center of Nebraska. And what makes it unique is that it's integrative and it's focused on serving rural Americans. So it's really focused on Nebraska, Iowa, South Dakota rural folks. And it's going to be a very unique conference.
Who should be there? Who should go?
You know, it's really focused on, folks that work in the behavioral health realm. So obviously that's going to be psychologists, counselors, school counselors, social workers. But because it's integrative, it also incorporates a variety of kind of folks that maybe you wouldn't traditionally think of as behavioral health. So it might be folks that work in legal or law services, family services, clergy members, a variety of folks. So really anybody that's interfacing with a client can benefit from this particular conference.
Yeah, nice to kind of include some of those secondary, tertiary roles that really do get involved but don't come to mind maybe when you're first thinking about it.
Absolutely. We are very fortunate we're bringing in this wonderful keynote speaker from the Collaborative Family Healthcare Association, Dr. Alex Holst, and she's going to talk about why integrating medicine, and particularly for rural America, can be really beneficial.
And I think a lot of folks are going to get a lot out of this.
I think so. We've got a wonderful lineup. It's this Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we've got all kinds of breakout sessions which I think folks will really like. Everything from law enforcement, working with mental health services, how to respond to folks that have a loss due to suicide, issues around addiction management. We're going to have a panel of experts coming in to talk about working with children, especially in court and family services, folks that are going to talk about diversity and LGBT issues, school counselors, how to train school counselors to be better. And so that's why it's going to really be helpful.
Sign up for it sooner rather than later, I suppose?
Yeah, pre-registration's been open, but certainly folks can also show up the day of or register online at wsc.edu/BH conference, which is Behavioral Health Conference.
Oh, sure. And this is over at Wayne State in Wayne?
It's on campus finally, right? We have an in-person conference this time, and so it's at Wayne State campus at the Cantor Student Center.
All right, yeah, it should be a good time, like you said, for not only those that immediately you think about when you're talking about behavioral health, but all those other people that are involved.
We're really fortunate. We've received a grant from HRSA, which stands for the Health Resources and Services Administration, and really they're focused on helping underserved populations, and specifically geographically isolated folks. So that's why this grant really kind of tailors towards rural America, and that's why it's free of charge, because we were able to find funding for this to help kind of develop the behavioral health workforce in the region.
All right, should be a good time on Friday. Thanks for stopping by this morning.
Appreciate it. Thanks, Jacob.
You're very welcome. If you want to find out anything else about this conference or any other event that we've talked about here early in the morning, check out our website anytime, SiouxlandNews.com/sunrise.